Hi everyone, Rachel Jensen here, broker owner of Luna Realty Belize on the beautiful island of Ambergris Caye. Right now we are at Grand Baymen. This was recently branded as a Best Western Resort, and I personally think it's one of the best values out there if you're looking for an investment property or a rental property because of the fact that it is close to town. We're only about half a mile south of the downtown area. We're a couple blocks off beach, and we're within about 7 acres of gardens community. So it's a really beautiful space here. In addition to that, being part of the Best Western rental programs means that you have tons of eyes looking at your property when it comes to rentals. So great rental potential here. Or if you're just somebody who's looking to come and go as you please, or just be in a great location close to town, close to amenities, have amenities here on site, then this could be the spot for you. We're going to be looking at the amenities currently in place. There's a gym, tennis courts with pickleball lines. In addition to that, there's a large pool, a restaurant that's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then we're going to take a tour in one of the condos that's currently available for ownership. Let's take a look. Okay, here we have a map of the Grand Bayman grounds. As I mentioned to you, it's about 7 acres in total, so it's a very spacious area right here. And we're going to be going into the dolphin building. That's one represented right here by D. We're standing right over here, the anchor building in front of us. Behind you, in front of me, is where you have the check-in office, the reception. And then this building is not yet built yet, but Captain, Dolphin, Explorer, Fleet, these are all constructed, and these are all future construction. So we're going to be going into building D today. This is one that I mentioned I think is a great value buy if you're looking for something that is solid construction under $130,000 with potential owner financing. This could be the right spot for you. I know it's very difficult to find high quality construction under $150,000 on Ambergris Caye these days, and so with this property you are able to find that. And so we're going to take a look inside, but first I want to mention to you we were at the amenities before. The tennis court, pool, restaurant, and then also the gym right over there. And so we're starting here and we're going to go right over to building D and take a look at it. Let's go. All right, everyone, we are here in condo D201. It is the second floor of the Dolphin building on a corner, and it is a true 1 bed, 1 bath. As you can see, it is an open floor plan here between the kitchen and the living room, separate bedroom and separate bathroom. This condo has been upgraded to Best Western standards already. So if you're somebody who's thinking about putting your condo in the nightly rental program, you can certainly put it in the Best Western rental program without having to do any upgrades. So it's extremely convenient for you. You can also put it in the long-term rental program should you opt to do that. Come and go as you please, live here full time. The choice is yours. So what you'll see, Frigidaire appliances in the kitchen, and everything that you see is going to stay. All the furniture is included in the purchase. So let's take a look around. If you're interested in learning more about this property, feel free to reach out to us. Info@Luna Realty Belize, info@Luna Realty Belize. We'll also have a link below in the comments for you to get additional information. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye, everyone.